Hello everybody, we are playing Bingo Tour, one of my favorite bingo games that pay real money. I promise you it is legit. I have pulled money out of this app. Today we're going to cover some basic layout stuff and then play a game, talk about strategy, and teach you how to win at Bingo Tour. So up there we have the top, which shows how many diamonds I have and shows how many dollars I have. Those diamonds are like an in-game currency that can be used to play games, as well as some of the little side games that they have, which is one of my favorite things about this app is they have a lot of extra things that you can do. So down here we're going to start the events along the bottom. You can just see that I've got my lucky wheel spin. Let's go ahead and give that little guy a spin. Oh, we can't do it for another 3 hours and 52 seconds. We've got our daily bonus. This is where you want to start your day in Bingo Tour because you've got your daily bonus and the lucky win and some of these extras you can go ahead and do for free to give you some extra dollars and some extra diamonds to play with. Now there's a promo link in the description beneath this video that if you use that to sign up, you will get a couple of these digs right here. These digs will give you a random amount of cash that you can play with and start you out with. You can see last time I did a dig, I got $8.04, which was pretty cool. So if you use the link beneath this video, you can use that and start yourself off with some bonus cash, maybe get into some higher ranked games and not have to put any money in on your own. So over here in the results tab, this is where you can see my results, whether I win or lose the game. The most valuable thing in this tab is, let's go into this one. Obviously, let's pick one that I won some money on, so it impresses everybody here. The thing that's valuable to me here is I can see how much money the first, second, and third payout people got. So I can look through my past games, see what some of the higher stakes games were, to see which one of those games might be worth my time to play again in the future, to see which one of them are giving out bigger payouts to the first, second, and third position. Here in the, that's my cat. Thank you, kitten. In the deposit tab here, this is where we deposit money, obviously. You can see we've got all these choices here. I can buy everything from gems to just putting money in the game. There's something I want to talk about on this tab that is very devious that I feel like a lot of people don't understand, and that is bonus cash. See, if I put in $15 cash on this top one right here, it's going to give me $15 to play with and an extra $12 that is bonus cash. What is bonus cash? Well, this is a very cleverly titled in-game currency that you can use as if they were real dollars within this game to play some higher stakes games and win money. However, you will never be able to withdraw bonus cash. It is only within the game. Now, let's say that you had $25 in this game and $6 of bonus cash. When you go to withdraw up here, you will see that, well, first off, you can see that my 1138 is all bonus cash because they're from digs that I got. So I can't withdraw any of this money right now because none of it is actually real money. It's all bonus cash that's cleverly hid in-game currency. Now I can use that to play games that will get me into higher stakes games that my rewards will then be real cash that I can pull out, but not until I convert it into real dollars. So first way that they trick you is when you withdraw your money, you cannot withdraw the bonus dollars. Second way is, let's say you were in that scenario where you have $25 and $6 of bonus cash. When you go to withdraw, this game, since it does not want you to pull out your money, since that means you won't be spending it within this app and they get it, like this app has a little lover's tip with you and it says, oh, well, if you're going to withdraw the $25, you will sacrifice, flush down the toilet, the $6 of bonus cash that you have in the bank. So it hurts a little bit more when you withdraw money. If you need the money, don't let it affect you too much. They are not real dollars. They never were real dollars. However, they could be real dollars should you use them to play a game, win, and then get it converted into real money. Now let's talk about that converting process because this is the final thing that they do with bonus cash that's real tricky and real devious. Let's say I play a game where the entrance fee is $5 and the winnings is $10. For the sake of being easy, let's just say that winner takes all. I know that's not how the game works. It's divided between the first, second, and third position, but just for the sake of making this easy on my brain, we're going to say winner takes all $10. You win the games. So you paid $5 to play it. Now, if you have bonus cash, this game is going to automatically use bonus dollars to pay for the entrance fee to the match. If you only had $3 bonus dollars, it would pay $3 of bonus dollars and then $2 of your real dollars to complete the amount of the entry fee. Now, let's say you win all $10. Your winnings, and this is so tricky and so just messed up that they don't explain this, your winnings will be also bonus dollars up to the amount of your entry fee. So in this example, you paid $5 of bonus dollars to play the game, and you won $10. 5 of those dollars will be real dollars that you can pull out of this game. The other 5 of the dollars will be returned to you as you paid them as bonus bucks. So just keep in mind that if you have bonus bucks, it will automatically pay the entrance fee first with your bonus dollars before your real dollars, and then any winnings up to the amount of bonus bucks spent on the entry fee will be returned to you as bonus bucks. So the conversion process can kind of hard sometimes if you get a lot of bonus dollars to get out of, and you don't win any higher paying out games and get them converted, quote unquote, to real dollars that you can withdraw. Okay, now that we've got that covered, let's go ahead and play a game. This home tab is where we are right now. It's where you can go up here to, there's some scratcher tickets that you can use. There's some little specials that they always have going up there at the top. They have countdown timers. That's just to increase urgency. Don't get tricked by those. They always have a million deals going on, just like your local mattress store. It's weird that every mattress in the store is always having some sort of discount on it. We'll play this $7 one right here for $28, and we're gonna see how it goes. Wish me luck, team. First thing I'm gonna be doing and focusing on is being fast. How I'm going to do that is I'm gonna match the color of the ball that comes down with the corresponding color of the top of the row. So I'm not looking over the entire thing, I'm just looking at the corresponding colored row, looking down it with my eyes. My eyes are looking at the color, finding the matching one, and then going down that one column so I can be as fast as possible. Because the faster you are, the more of those little power-ups you get down there. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to wait till the one comes down right now. So I can see that was a 41 that's coming down. So I can use this time to maybe get a little bit additional time to look over the board. So 11, is there a 41? There is not. Okay, that's fine. 23, not one of that either. 37, nope. Now you do get juice that fuels the power-up bar there with the G ones, but you do not get it with the diamonds. Just keep that in mind. So the diamond right there, which I want to save the diamonds, 38, 48, there we go, nice. Unless a situation like that comes up, then I want to use them because I don't want to just have 2 filling up my slot and waste the points. The order that I want to fill this board out in is corners and then diagonals. So I'm going to work my way around the corners and then get those diagonals filled up. By doing that, you're going to get a lot more bingos. Nice. And 8, that's cool. 13, cool. So we're going to see if this is a 3 under here. 73, that's fine. 73 and 3. Oh, what? Where was the 13 was the one that came up, of course. 57, 64. Okay, we got that one filled out. Now I'm not going to get the bingos till the very end, just in case I get a ×2 power up. And then I can go ahead and hit that and then hit all of my bingos right at the end of the game and stack all of those points. 39. And the reason why I'm hanging, oh, there it is, cool. The reason why I'm hanging on to, let's go ahead and get this, 40, that, 74. Okay, so the reason why I was hanging on to that diamond is because the diamonds, you can daub any one of the numbers, but that number still might come down in the game. So the longer that I can hold off using those, the longer I'm sure that I won't use a number that's going to be given to me later anyway. Oh, we got second right there. All right, $9 returned to me. Now, keep in mind, let's do the math here. Ooh, I won $9. Not really. I won $2 because I paid $7 to get into the game. So let's keep that in mind and do our math. And at the end of the day, don't be like, I won $65 when you really paid $50 and you really only won $15. Or hopefully the opposite of that isn't true and you didn't lose $15. So they're very good at telling you the things that you win and not very good at the things that you lose. So make sure that you do the math and don't depend on them to keep you honest here, because they're not the ones to be trusted in this situation. To complete what I was saying, the diamonds, you want to hold off using those because they may come down later, and so you want to make sure that you don't use up a number that will be given to you for free anyway, thus wasting that diamond power up. But the G's, once you select a G number from the 4 that comes up, it will remove that number from the possible numbers that will be coming down for the rest of the game. I kind of like the G's almost more than the diamonds, as you don't get the juice that fills the bar to get more bonus power-ups from the diamonds, only the G's. And the diamonds can be given to you later for free. So I really like the G's. That is how you play this game to win. This is not a money-making app. You cannot win enough to always make money. That being said, you can win real money and withdraw withdraw it from this app. I promise you, I have withdrawn it before myself and received the money. You can link this up to your PayPal and pull the money out. It takes anywhere from a day to a week. When I pulled it out, it was done in under 24 hours one time, and then the other time I did it, it did take a couple of days. So do not use this as a way to get money quickly or even to make money. Do not depend upon the money that you are withdrawing, as it could take a little bit of time before you actually receive it. Please do not play this game as a way to make a quick buck. This is not that. This is just a fun thing that you can do while you're using the bathroom that maybe might be a better use of your time, as you can win some spending money for free, especially if you use the cash awarded to you for free if you use the link in the description of this video, as opposed to play TikTok videos while you're sitting there on the pot. I hope this helps, and may luck be with you. Have the best day ever. Bye, everybody. I would really appreciate it if you liked this video, and subscribe if you like playing games where you can earn real money, and make sure that you watch the next video in this series talking about the next app that you can win a buck right here.